music fades, all is stripped away, and I simply come, longing just to bring something that's of worth, that will bless your heart. I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself, it's not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it. When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus.
I want to abide in His presence, to seek the heart of God, living a life of obedience, to fulfill my Lord's desires, empowered by His Spirit, to do what He asks, knowing His will for me. I can faithfully finish my task. Instruct me in your ways, for I willingly follow you, standing upon your promises. As you show me what to do, I do not doubt but believe. Nothing is impossible for you. By the mighty things you do, I can place my trust in you. As I come to you in prayer, my spirit is in one accord. Pour out your many blessings, as I look to you, my Lord.
No one could express how much you deserve. Though I'm weak and poor, all I have is yours. Every single breath, I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself is not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it. When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it. When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus. And it's all about you, Jesus. It's all about you. It's all about you. And it's all about you, Jesus. It's all about you. All about you. And it's all about you, Jesus. It's all about you. It's all about you. And it's all about you, Jesus. It's all about you. It's all about you. And it's all about you, Jesus. I'm coming back to the heart of worship.
I am learning to live one day at a time, as I stand upon God's promises, becoming more bolder every day, to be a genuine witness for Him. Sharing what I have found, in knowing Jesus Christ, proclaiming His words of truth, will transform the hardest of hearts. I cannot think of no greater joy, than to see someone being changed, given life with a brand new start, through the blood of Jesus Christ. God's raising up a holy people, who will listen and obey, going into the harvest fields, to reap some souls today. Pray God will bring someone, across your path this very day, unique opportunities made for you, to share the love of God today. The Lord knows the impact a humble servant will have, as we willingly fulfill His desires, His kingdom will come.
May the Lord bless you, keep you, protect you, sustain you, and guard you. May the Lord make His face shine upon you with favor, and be gracious to you as He surrounds you with His loving kindness. May the Lord lift up His face upon you with divine approval, and give you a peaceful, tranquil heart and a full life. Numbers chapter 6 verses 24 to 26.
My prayer and song in my heart. Lord, you alone are worthy to receive my highest praise. Manifest your glory in me, as I come to worship Thee. Take your rightful place, inhabit my praises to you, dwell within your holy temple, where I give my worship to you.